Hey friends, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing an unboxing video of my November Wild Hare kits. The Wild Hare Kits is a hand-curated kit company. You can go over to their website and order a petite, smaller kit or a deluxe kit like the one that I have here, which is larger, and they will send you a kit that was put together especially for you using input on your favorite colors, your favorite brands, your favorite types of embellishments, and the projects that you do. So pretty awesome, and let's dive right in here. So the first thing that we have is this tag kit, and this is by Heidi Swapp. I really love this. Beautiful. So we've got some fabric tags here. This is like a burlap, and we also have some acetate tags. And here we have an embossed one, and I had to put the camera darker for this one so you could see the embossing, but this one says "See the good in all things," and there's some embossing on that. This one is embossed as well, as is this one, or I think this one's actually debossed. Really cool though. So we've got an entire pack of different specialty tags here. Really cool. Cannot wait to use these. I've got a fun little bag here which has some copper paper clips in it, and they are cute little hearts. I love this. I asked her for more copper this month because if you didn't see my kit last month, it was absolutely perfect, and I asked her for more of the same color scheme. So we've got this Jen Hatfield sticker pack here. It's got lots of cute girls up on top, lots of flowers, some cute dogs. We've got tons of people on the back here, and then we've got a whole page of flowers with some words at the bottom. We've got an entire thing here of, it looks like birthday party and baking and kitchen stuff. And then we've got a copper foil sheet here with words and little houses. And the very last sheet here, we've got some bears riding bicycles and some fun little trees. Lots of cute, fun stuff here. And this is from the Jen Hatfield This Is Family collection. You can see there all that gorgeousness. And then we've got this gorgeous pack here. And I'm going to take this out so you can fully see it. But this is called Refresh. I believe they are from the new One Canoe 2 collection. You can see that gorgeous copper foil here. I'm really having a moment with copper for this fall. I love it. So beautiful. It's like a pink brown. So pretty. And then we've got some plain pink matte foam phrases as well. Super beautiful. Lots of phrase stickers. I love my phrase stickers. Then we've got some 6x8 paper she included for me. Love this. Super pretty. All about these colors. We've got a striped one. Pattern. We've got a really dark wood grain. And then my favorite are these cute moths. I love all the moths and all the butterflies, and I love to fussy cut them and include them on my projects. So that is perfect. Then we have a Heidi Swapp sticker pack here, and as you can see, more copper foil all over. Love all of these colors, super beautiful. And then on the back, we just have tons of different labels. Love these colors. Such a gorgeous color scheme for fall. And then we've got a stencil here, and this would be really good for some mixed media. And then we've got the 12x12 papers to round off the kit. I super love this floral paper. It is so gorgeous. This is from Heidi Swapp's Honey and Spice collection. I just love these colors, and this flower is amazing. Then we've got an acrylic paint background on the back. We've got this cut apart from Simple Stories, and that's the back of it. We've got the cut file for this month. Got a pink patterned paper, and this is the back of it. This is from Pink Paisleys Again and Again. This is Jen Hatfield's This Is Family. I just love these florals. super gorgeous. And then we've got this mustard stripe on the back. We've got this beautiful light pink paper. It looks kind of mixed media-y, like it's an acrylic background painted with also some white paint splatters all over it. And then it's got this gorgeous pattern on the back, and this is from One Canoe to Willow collection. Back to This Is Family from Jen Hatfield. We've got this 3x4 cut apart sheet here, and that is beautiful. And then the back of it has all of these beautiful words on it. Love that. I think we're back to Simple Stories with this one. They always do this cream color. And then we've got a fall floral on the back. I think we're back to Honey and Spice now. Yep, by Heidi Swapp. It's got this beautiful maroon and light pink floral with this beautiful color scheme of fall stripes on the back. And then we've got this beautiful dark burgundy wine color. Super gorgeous. And this is from Willow by One Canoe 2 again. So as you can see, it is a packed kit with lots of beautiful things, so many fun different colors for fall, and lots of copper, lots of embellishments here, and I cannot wait to dive in and use this kit. Super beautiful. I hope you have enjoyed this look at my November Wild Hair Kit. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you want to see everything I make with this kit. I will link the Wild Hair Kits down below if you want to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!